The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, in this video, I'm going to let you know about some things that happened within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Yeah, it's just an update to let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, there's reports out there about a police service vehicle that had crashed and 4 police officers had been injured and 1 female police officer had died. Now, according to reports, it is said that the incident happened on the 6th of October 2020 along the Mandela Highway that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. According to reports, it is said that the police officers were traveling in the police service vehicle when the driver of the vehicle lost control of the vehicle and the vehicle went off road. Now, according to reports, it is said that the vehicle flipped several times. Alright? According to reports. Now, I'm going to present to you a video that shows the scene of the incident that happened. You understand? And viewers and subscribers, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Police, when they pick up 5 times the coil and over there, so the female squatting off in the driver side over there, so dead. Whole place block up. What they want to go on, you know? What they want, what they want, they not go over there. Yeah, fire view going, you know.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. The video that shows the scene of an incident that happened within the country of Jamaica, where it is said that a police service vehicle went off road and crashed. It is said that 4 police officers had been injured and 1 female police officer had died, and it is said that this had happened along the Mandela Highway on the 6th of October 2020. Alright, now I'm going to move on to another topic right about now. Alright, now I'm going to put together and present to you 2 pieces of videos that are out on social media, and according to what had been said on social media about these 2 pieces of videos, it is said that these 2 pieces of videos shows the scene of a landslide that happened at Craig Hill, Mavis Bank, that is within the parish that is known as St. Andrew, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. According to some information that I got about the landslide, it is said that the incident happened on the 6th of October 2020 because of rainfalls within the country of Jamaica. It is said that the landslide blocked the Mavis Bank main road, and on the 6th of October 2020, I got information that the road was being cleared. Alright? Now I'm going to present these 2 pieces of videos to you, but before I present these 2 pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these 2 pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here are the 2 pieces of videos. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Mavis Bank main road. Top of the morning everyone. Breaking news. Road has collapsed. Top of the morning, as you can see, people on that side trying to find out how they're gonna cross it. What's your one? What's it? Hillside collapse. Nobody can cross. This is the main road. This is the main road. Everything collapsed. See? Farmer line. Nobody farming a line and wait until they turn to cross it.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. 2 pieces of videos that shows the scene of a landslide that blocked the road within the Mavis Bank area. Alright, you can let me know what you think about those videos as well. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that are out on social media. And according to what has been said about these pieces of videos on social media, it is said that these pieces of videos shows places within Kingston and St. Andrew that had flooded because of rainfalls within the month of October within the country of Jamaica. It is said that places within Kingston and St. Andrew had flooded because of a hurricane that is known as Delta that caused many rainfalls within the country of Jamaica. Now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to put these videos together and present them to you. But before I present these videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
The bus can cross it. The bus alone can cross it. Yeah man, that flood man. Bumbo cloud, che. Away man, I don't water bit so you know. I should bust the man. You know the water. Bumbo cloud. People have to push over, che. How the bus can cross it. Man, I said can't day no man. I remember see you catch up with the land there, you have to push water, you know. I remember the bus can cross it. Yeah?
Alright viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall Skill. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. You can let me know what to think about the videos that I just presented to you. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla. Yeah man, hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.